This video shows how to replace the button sets on an RNS 510 Columbus radio head unit. First of all, remove the bezel with a slim pry tool. The bezel is clipped in several places, a bit like an old mobile phone case. The top and bottom of the button set has to be released first by levering out the button set from where it is clipped in, as shown here. The button set can be a bit difficult to lever out. Sometimes you will need to try using various ply tools to see which one is best for the job. A fair amount of force and leverage needs to be used sometimes, but it doesn't matter if you mark the plastic slightly with the pry tools, because it won't show when you put the bezel back on. Make sure this piece is in the correct position. The chrome edge of the button set goes in first and then click in the other side. Now put the bezel back in, making sure it clicks back in all around. I sell genuine single button sets for either side, along with a set of pry tools for £25 to standard UK addresses, €30 to European countries and $40 to all other addresses, all using a tracked delivery service included in the price. Please contact me using the email address in the pinned comment below if you are interested in ordering.